In today's video, we'll be talking about operators in JavaScript. So I'm going to head right into it. Now you might want to take note of the syntax because this is a fast-paced video. We're going to be talking about three types of operators: the arithmetic operators, the comparison operators, and the logical operators. There are various arithmetic operators. We have addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Now for the more interesting arithmetic operators, we have the modulo operator, power operator, increment, and decrement. Now there are many ways we can use operators in our program, depending on what the use case is. One thing we can do is create a variable and set it equal to 2, and then we can create another variable, and then we can set it equal to some sort of transformed version of the first variable using any operator we like, in this case a power operator. Comparison operators take in two data types, compares them, and returns either true or false. We have several types of comparison operators. We have the equal operator, we have the not equal operator, we have the greater than operator, we have the less than operator, we have the greater than or equal to operator, and then we have the less than or equal operator. An example of how we can use comparison operators is we can declare a variable and we can set it to be equal to 5 less than or equal to 4. Now because we know that 5 is neither less than nor equal to 4, our variable will be set to false. A logical operator takes in two Boolean data types and returns a Boolean as well. There are three major logical operators. Firstly, you have the AND operator, which only returns true when both given booleans are true, and in any other case would return false. An example of how we can use this is if we say 5 equals 5, which is true, followed by the AND operator, and then followed by 4 less than 6, which is also true. It returns true. And in any case where either one of the expressions is false, it returns false instead. Next, you have the OR operator, which returns false if and only if both booleans are false, and in any other case would return true. If you have an expression followed by an OR operator and then followed by another expression, if any one of those two expressions are true, to return true, else it returns false. Lastly, we have the NOT operator, which takes a boolean and returns the opposite value of that boolean. Whenever you use the NOT operator followed by a true statement, it returns false. And whenever you use the NOT operator with a false statement, it returns true instead. And of course, there are many ways you can apply this in your program. For example, if I use the NOT operator followed by 1 equals 1, because 1 equals 1 is true, it returns the opposite of that, which is false. One thing to note is that you should not mistake the comparison operator with an equal to sign. While the comparison operator is used to compare two expressions, the equal to sign is specifically used to initialize a variable. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.